What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is a day where old Rammer girls over here, mine and Big Lou's, they're going to get clear bronze. Lewis is doing the front bumper lights and the hood. I'm doing just the lights and the front bumper on mine. I've never had a hood issue. Lewis is very concerned about his hood, so I'm not really that concerned about the hood. There's official Genesis detail. Don't forget to check out his channel. And so yeah, we are here at 5 Point Auto Spa with this ugly, get the hell, get out of my camera, man. Jeez, you're gonna kill my footage here. We are here at 5 Point Auto Spa. They are going to do mine and Lewis's. They do some amazing work here. They do Ceramic Pro. Yes, you guys see Big Lou over here. Oh, I gotta give him the key actually, hold on. He's over, so he just actually ceramic coated and did all of Lewis's truck, but what he did not do, they told him specifically, do not ceramic coat lights, front bumper or hood, because the film will not stick. It will have a hard time sticking. So they're looking, well, what, was there a flaw somewhere? We see a little flaw? Huh? Dang, man, your hips are so big you can't even fit in the spot.
We're going on Jenny Craig this week.
Jeez, man, oh my goodness. And then you got your over here looking like you're driving a deer. Man, your mirrors are just, look at those things, they're massive.
You can't drive a Ram and have your mirrors like that.
I will say, dude, I'm trying to drive like this and they suck.
Looks like it's a 1500.
Yeah, it does. It looks horrible.
My F-150 looks better.
It's just massive. Like, you know how many people I almost hit? It's crazy. So, yeah, for you guys that keep telling me up, down, I'm trying to drive them down. I'm probably going to put them back up because I can't stand them being down like this. They're just, it's nuts. Let me feel. Let me feel.
Why are you feeling that part? Please don't touch my truck.
Oh, wrong part. I will try to take you guys in the back room of how they're going to get everything done. But their front area, as soon as you walk in, you see they show you everything about clear bras, about their ceramic coating. They talk to you about a little bit how it's going to work. Well, you know, the durability of it, 9H. So I guess the higher the number, the better. Ceramic Pro has a 9H. I believe this is the best on the market right now. I don't think there's anybody else that's higher than them. I'm sure you guys will comment down below, but they got all your pricing in here. All of your, looks like they got conditioners, they got your ceramic, your hydrophilic recharge on what is ceramic. They also do tinning here. This is, I think, yeah, so this, when you turn this on, it shows you the heat. They have two types of films here, 4-tint. It looks like they can pretty much do everything here. It's their one-stop shop. So you got ceramic, you got clear bras, you got tint. Looks like they got everything done here. All right, so he is pulling Cummins' girl in. I don't even know how they get in, but I gotta say, she's a little quiet.
Hey, what about mine?
Yours is last, bro. Don't worry about yours. So now we're gonna head back into the shop and check it out while Lewis is over there concerned why his has not gone in there yet. Uh-oh, I feel a little risky. I feel like a rebel right now. All right, let's see. Oh wow. So it looks like they got two shops over here going on, or two places. Wow, this is very nice. I'll take a peek in here, see if I can take a peek without getting yelled at. So it looks like this is their, I guess maybe he's doing the 3-stage polish on it. Out of Big Lou, I don't know how yours is sitting in here, man. Your hips are a lot bigger than mine. So Nick is over here drooling because he's looking for a shop like this, because you guys know he's mobile, and when he does his ceramic coating, he does not have a, you know, garage like this to do it in. So he's looking for something like this. So if anybody out there knows any space available, let them know. Oh, looks like
look at that Genesis shine.
Look at the, is that the what? The Genesis shine? I will say, Big Lou, the pillars look much better than that. I don't know why they put that. That stuff is so useless. All right, so they did get Lou's in here nice and safely. Ooh, I gotta say, that dually looks good, man. Well, look at that. So it looks like, so you just pop those things out just like that, huh?
Yeah, they have, you can
wow.
look at the back on them. It's pretty basic.
Well, that's good to know. So check that out, guys. I didn't know that. I was always wondering how these things come out. So it looks like he just pops the They got some clips in there.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh, okay.
I mean, sometimes certain cars break or whatever, but
yeah, it's plastic, you know. Oh wow! I didn't know. I always wonder. I go, man, how the heck you take these things out? Like, if
Somebody can take them that easily though.
Yeah, it's crazy. Someone can literally, like, if you're missing one, they'll just rip it right out.
Yeah, that's what.
And the hood doesn't have to be open. Clearly, you just pull it right out with the hood.
That's the
open.
scary part. I'm sure that piece is like 100 or 2.
Wow. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm sure that piece costs who knows how much from the dealer. Oh, there you go. That's a little note for you guys. If you want to get yours painted or anything, just pull them right out. You're done. Just like that. It's that easy. All right, guys. So we got Daniel over here. He's prepping the truck now. Daniel, what is this you're putting on there? Is it just water?
Soap and water. I mean, usually we use it to apply the film, but
okay.
we use it to wash cars. Pete's going over there to go grab the
okay.
And doing all that.
All right, all right. So Daniel's going to be doing the install on the Ram today. We are doing clear brawling the front bumper and the headlights. Only reason is because the headlights on, if you guys remember on the Duramax, you could see little rock chips on the headlights. And you know, with me, Lewis, all of us going to the desert, these things take a good beating out there. And as you guys remember from the front bumper of the Duramax, you saw all of the touch-up paint that I had to put on. From far away, you couldn't tell, but when you walked up to it, you could tell that the front bumper had a lot of chips, a lot of pits in it. It just did not look clean. So that's why we're going to, or Daniel's going to take care of us over here and clear brought, so we're not going to deal with that no more. And now you were saying all of your film also, because I was a little concerned is, I didn't want you guys cutting. I was worried about cutting, right here. But you were saying earlier, I heard you talk about that it's actually already pre-cut.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing, guys. So my biggest thing was, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get a clear broad, but what's gonna happen if they take a razor blade, start cutting, and then they start cutting into the paint? I didn't want that. So it looks like Daniel said it's all pre-cut. So they just set it perfect, and they don't have to deal with that. And that tells you right there, guys, a quality of work that they do over here. Where when you're done, when you take your truck or car or whatever in here, when you're done, it's going to be pretty much given back to you perfect. And this stuff is self-healing, correct? So what that means is if a scratch does occur or anything does occur, I mean, you could just heat it up and it goes away?
Yeah, let it sit in the sun, throw hot water on it, heat it up with a heat gun, it should.
Okay. And what's the warranty on this? Like if someone comes back?
Warranty.
Oh, 10-year.
Staining, yellowing, scratching, I believe.
10-year, wow. Okay, yeah. So that's another thing I was concerned about, guys, is, I mean, you guys know I don't drive my trucks every day. This is not my everyday driver. This is mainly just for the desert, but I'm worried about it yellowing, getting dirty. That's a big concern for him, but according to Daniel, it is a 10-year warranty, so this thing should not be yellowing, should look perfect and clean every time. So is this your cutting process or printing process, I should say?
It's at 35, right?
Yeah, 3500.
Yeah, so it has, I mean, normally on there's certain cars that don't do it, so they don't have the full car, but
okay.
This truck does.
So this is, you're just putting all the information in your, I guess, your cutting software? Yeah,
so XPEL is what we're going to put on.
Okay.
It has its own software. It's called DAP.
DAP?
DAP.
DAP. Okay.
I mean, I honestly think it's the best out there.
Okay.
Just because it has a lot that you can pick from.
Okay.
You got the bumper. You got,
nice. Okay.
These are what we call relief cuts, just so it makes it easier to apply the film on.
Okay, so you don't get no wrinkles and kinks and stuff like that?
Yeah, so you got to stretch it a certain way. Like you're going to start here, stretch it this way, stretch this down. It's just, I don't know.
Okay.
You go crazy.
All right. Now, how long does a job like this usually take? What I'm doing, lights and front bumper.
I mean, for me, it'll probably take me like 30 minutes to just put it on or less.
Oh, so it is a one-day job if somebody's interested in getting it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if you would have got the front end done, we like to wait for like a day so it can sit, settle. Sometimes,
okay.
Like in this groove right here, there'll be a bubble, but you won't see it till the next day. It'll form, and then you'll see like a little air pocket or whatever. Okay. So, I mean, it's always best to give it an extra day. Just to be safe.
So it's similar with tint. Sometimes tint's got that hazy look to it.
It does, but tint can actually go out and be fine.
Okay.
You'll see the moisture or whatever, but we usually don't worry about that. It's more with this, like, if I do something here, this could lift right here, and I mean, if it leaves and it pops up, then it's kind of scary. You have to redo it.
Okay. All right. is that just like hot steam water?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, and that's just making sure all the cracks, crevices, everything is perfect?
That's right.
All right. So now we're back here in their, looks like their cutting room. This is where everything's going to be cut. Once he tells the computer, or the computer will tell the machine what to do. And I'll show you guys how it does it. Look at it, just like that, guys. Starts cutting away to get everything perfect to the T. So now how about the shine? Does this film give it like a dull? Because I notice now that it's on, it looks dull.
So it's wet.
Okay.
As soon as it clears up, it'll be fine.
Yeah, so it'll look just like a regular clear headlight. Okay, so there you go, guys. So if you are worried about, because see, I don't know if you can see, it's that ghosty look right there compared to this side, how clear it is. I guess once it dries, it's going to turn out being clear and not that, you know, hazy, ghosty look that he was saying. All right, so now he has moved on to the crucial part right here, the front bumper, the main part on these things that just get destroyed. I mean, I don't care what you guys say. I had a lot of trucks. And all of my trucks, the only one that didn't get destroyed was the old Duramax, the Chevy Silverado with chrome bumpers. But I cannot stand chrome bumpers on these things. I just don't like the way they look. I like the bumpers color matched. But, you know, the downfall of them, if they are color matched, is if you do not take care of them, well, it's going to look like a Dalmatian later on, because it's just going to get pitted and it's going to look horrible. All right, guys, so it looks like to do a hood, man, it's kicking Ish's butt over here. But he's getting it, he's doing it. But looks like the hood takes a lot more time, a lot more labor, and it seems a lot more intricate to do a hood. I would assume because it's not cut out perfect, you know, like the lights and the bumper are. So that's why Daniel took this job, because he knew what he was going to get into with that job. So he gave it to poor Ish over there. See, Daniel's been around the block here. He's smart. He knows what job to take and which one not to take.
Come on. That's not true, Ish.
That's not true, Ish. He loves you, man. He loves you.
God damn it.
Alright, guys, so it is done, complete. What he wants to do is he wants to go put it outside, let it bake in the sun a little bit, just in case any bubbles or anything do occur. He can catch it while it's here, instead of it, you know, going home, or me going home and, you know, bubbles occurring and then causing damage to the clear bra. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.